Hello friends, welcome to my channel on Dynamics 365 F&O solutions. Today I'm going to share how to use a product template and how to create a new product template and use it to create new release products quickly. I'm also going to show you quickly a comparison of release products and products page. So let me bring up the application. Please hold on for a sec. Okay, here I am in the F&O product information management release products page. As we see here, I have created a few products and I want to create more products, and I want to use the feature template, product template. A product template is a good feature that we can use to quickly create product based on a template. So before I create, I'll start using the product. Let me create a template. So let me pick this. Let me pick this product. Now, see, if you look at it, I have set up all this information, all these parameters for my product. And I want to create more spare parts. I have a list of spare parts that I need to create before I can start using them in my transactions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this product engine oil and use all the information that I've captured for this, okay, and create a template out of this and then use it for subsequent product creation. Okay, that's the objective of this session. So it's going to be a short session. So what I've done here is I have captured the item model group, I have captured the unit of measurement, I have captured the prices, I have captured the item model item group, storage dimension, tracking dimension, etc. Now let me change this. I want to now I want to use a storage dimension that is different than what is configured for this product. So how do I do that? I will create a new product. Okay. Now the new product number is P009. It is auto generated, and I want to create a new product name. Let me go to my product list. I have a product list called air filter. My product name is air filter, and it's the same. And I'm going to use inventory unit as each. I'm going to use purchase unit as each, sales unit as each, and I'm going to use item model group as spare parts. I'm going to use item group as spare parts, and I'm going to use storage. Here I'm going to change it. I'm going to use storage dimension, a different storage dimension, because I want to use the location also. I want to use site, warehouse, and location. And tracking dimension, I don't want a tracking dimension, as I'm not going to have serial numbers for my spare parts. So I'm going to use this. So price, I'm going to leave it blank because I have to change this price for every product. So if I use the price and create a template, what will happen is I will be using the same prices for all the products. I don't want to do that. So, and also I want to select a vendor for this product. Okay. So I don't have vendor item number. So these are the information that I'm going to create for my spare parts called air filter. And I'm going to create a new released product now using this. Okay. All right. So this is what I've done. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a template out of this air filter product. I want to create a new template, create personal template. I don't want to share this with other legal entities, so I'm going to create a spare part template, spare parts product template, and use this, create it. Now I created this template. Now I want to create a next product. So what I do, so if you look at it, all my informations are all captured for this product. So I don't want to enter this again and again for my subsequent product that I'm going to create now on. So what I've done is I have now used, I'm going to use a template. So before that I have created template. My template has been created and the name of the template is spare part. Now let me create a new product. New release product. So I go to my list. I have a list of spare part that I need to create. Now I create a product called Glow Plug. My name of the product is Glow Plug. Search name is Glow Plug. And then what I do is I'm going to use a template here. Look at this. There is a apply template. I already have created template. I'm going to use spare parts template. Now all the base units that have been defined in my template are being copied now. So my vendor has been copied, my item model group, item group, storage dimension group, and tracking dimension. So I'm going to press OK now. Okay, so it has created a new product Glow Plug. Similarly, I'm going to create few more quickly by using the template. Okay, so my next spare part is air horn. Let me come back to my product name, air horn. So, and then I'm going to use the template. I'm going to apply the template. Okay, so, and what I can do is I can add some prices here. 101 and 160, 125. Okay, so I'm going to press OK. Now my product air horn has been created. Again, I'm going to create one more product. My next product spare part is front headlight. Okay, let me add this name, front headlight. Search his name. Search name is also front headlight. And I'm going to apply the template, spare parts, and then add prices, 1,500, 1,800, and 1,600. Okay, so I'm pressing OK. So my new product has been created for front headlight. And please note that I'm creating all of them under release products. Okay, I'm not creating this under product menu. I'm creating it directly in the release product. At the end of this, I'll tell you the difference, what it does, what the application does when I create a release product and directly under release product menu rather than creating it in product menu. Okay, now I go back. I create few more. I want to create few more. Now my next product list is product name is repair service kit. Okay, repair service kit, name is repair service kit. Search name is also the same. I'm applying this template. Okay, and it's 2,500, 2,800, 2,650. Okay, so this is my new product front headlight. I'm pressing OK. So if you look at it, this is the a quick way of creating products. The other way is to use a template, upload a template, but this is also one of the quickest way to create new release products. I can keep on creating by using the template and adding basic information which are standard, which are common for all my spare parts. That's why I don't want to repeat this data entry for all my spare parts. All of them are going to be now stored under a storage dimension group called site, warehouse, and location. And I don't want a tracking dimension, and I'm going to use the same item model group spare parts for all my spare parts. So that's the reason. Now we can create a template and start using the template for creating more and more release products which have similar characteristics. Okay, so having said that, now let me add a few more products and then go back to the products menu and then see what has happened. Okay, now let me create one more product called French shock absorber and apply the template, spare parts, and price is so 5,000 and 5,000, 6,000, 5,007, 5,250. Okay, all right. I'm going to create one more. My next product is rear shock absorber. Rear shock absorber, and apply the template, spare parts template. This is 15,000, 18,000, and 16,000. Okay, these are my prices I'm going to use. Okay, I am going to create a few more. Spark plug, wiper blade set. Okay, or use create a new product called wiper blade set. Product name is wiper blade set. Okay, apply this template. Okay, and then 8,000, sorry, 3,000, 3,500, and 3,100. Okay, so this is my. Okay, I have created good amount of good number of release products. So now, if you look at it, all these release products are available in my IBIN legal entity. Okay, now let me show you what has happened. Let me go to the list of release products that I've created. So these are all the released products that I created now. So earlier we had only 3. Now I have added almost 10 more. Now let's see what has happened in the products menu. Now that I've created directly in the release products, I want to show you what has happened in product menu. So if you look at it, I said normally we create a product by creating it first in the products menu and then releasing it to the respective legal entity. But now what I've done is, for a change, I know that I have only now one legal entity for now. So I directly went into my legal entity and started creating release products under the release products menu directly. Okay, added new products. Okay, this is what I've done. Now in my products menu, if I go to my products menu, let me see what has happened. Okay, let me show you under products menu. Okay, so look at this. Under product menus, we already have a few created products, as I showed you. Now I have added, let me see how many I've created under this. So if you look at this, all the products that I created under release products has also been now stored under the products menu. Why is it that? It is because products menu is a central repository. It is normally used by the products managers, product group, central product group, to govern the product and ensure that it is consistent across all legal entities. But whereas what I did was I know that I'm very clear on my product needs. I have only one legal entity now, so I created my products, all my products under release products directly. While this is a good, while this is a accepted practice, but the good practice is that if we create it in a products menu, it is actually now a good governance in the sense normally a product is created by the product central product team, and they create the bare minimum parameters for the product, and leave it to the local companies to allow them to create their own finer properties like the storage dimension. For example, in a legal entity A bin, I may have a storage dimension called the storage site warehouse location, whereas in another legal entity called AB UK, I may want to use a different storage dimension. I don't want to use a location in UK. So that's where we actually allow the local companies to add finer features of a product and leave the bare minimum attributes of a product by creating it in a product. This is to ensure that the product numbers, okay, are all consistent, and the policies are consistent. There is no deviation from the central product team's policies. Then the local companies can have their own flavors for each of the products. Now let me show you what has happened for this product. Okay. Now look at this. So this is what, while I have created my product dimension group and storage dimension group and tracking dimension group and release product, while the P00007 chain belt has been added in products menu, but it has not added the other features here. So because these are the basic information that the product team is concerned about. The other informations are all local. Okay, this is central, and these informations are attributed as local information, which means that respective legal entities, local companies can create their own. So that's the reason we are not able to see this product dimension group here in the product menu, while the same can be seen under the product release product menu. Okay, let me quickly go to the release product menu. On the same product. Okay, I release product. Okay. Okay, what was the product here? It is a chain belt. Oh, okay. I think this was not created in my page, release product page. Let me go to the next one. Go to the next one. Air horn or globe plug. Okay, globe plug. Yeah, globe plug. Okay, let's. Okay, now look at this. The globe plug which I created in my release product 10. It has got a storage dimension. It has got a tracking dimension. It has got a item model group. Whereas the same under the product menu, it has removed that. It has stored with the basic information. So this is because it wants to keep the bare minimum and in the central repository, and the same detailed information in the release product page. The detailed information are stored. So there's a difference between the data attributes in a release product page and the products details page. Okay, so this is to show you how the release products items are stored in a local company database, and whereas the same product how it is stored in a central database. Okay, so look at this. So while this is a good practice, while this is the accepted practice, it is always good to create a product from the product details page and then release the product like using this. Okay, this is how we should do. Okay, we keep press next, keep pressing next, and then here I can select all the companies that I want to use, and release it to the respective companies. So this is the this is the standard practice, good practice, so that a central product team takes care of creating the product at the core company, or at the core database, in the core database, and then distributing that to the local companies as they feel. Okay, so I'm not going to press OK here. I'm going to show you. I just want to show you how it does release to other legal entities. So that is all in this session. It was a quick session. I hope this was useful, and stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to show you more features in product information management module, and then gradually move on to the transactions part. Thank you so much, and I look forward to the next session soon. See you then. Thank you again. Bye.